I've always been interested in business and investing. When I was a kid, my dad was a stockbroker, and I used to read his copies of the Wall Street Journal and Barron's. I was fascinated by the stock market and started buying stocks when I was just 11 years old. After college, I worked as a stockbroker in New York City, but I quickly realized that I wanted to be an investor, not a salesman. So I moved back to Omaha and started my own investment partnership. I was just 26 years old at the time and had only $100 in capital, but I was determined to succeed. I spent years studying the stock market and analyzing companies before I found the right investments. I read annual reports, attended shareholder meetings, and talked to executives. I was looking for companies that had a strong competitive advantage, a stable business model, and a high return on equity. In 1965, I bought a textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. It was a struggling company, but I saw potential in its other businesses like insurance. Over the years, I transformed Berkshire Hathaway into a conglomerate that owns dozens of businesses, including GEICO and Fruit of the Loom. My investment philosophy is based on a few simple principles. Invest in businesses you understand, buy stocks when they are undervalued, and hold on to them for the long term. I'm known for my patience and discipline, and for avoiding the hype and speculation that often lead to market bubbles and crashes. But my success didn't come overnight. I made mistakes along the way and learned from them. And I've always been willing to admit when I was wrong and move on. Today, I'm one of the wealthiest people in the world, but I still live a simple life. I don't own a yacht or a private jet, and I still live in the same house I bought in 1958. To me, investing is a game that's worth playing for the long haul.